In the 2014 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, pre-collision system, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, fog lights, compass, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.